Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to hide birthday in Facebook. Let's start the video. Open Facebook and click on the menu bar. After that, tap on the gear icon to open the settings option. Here scroll down and under audience and visibility, click on profile details. Scroll down and you will see your birthday under the basic info section. Click on Edit. Now select the privacy icon, then choose Only Me. To confirm your changes, click on the Save button. Your birthday will now be hidden from public view. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.